Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today inshallah we will take the last unit of the pre-intermediate workbook. The title of unit 14 is Family Ties, in which we will focus basically on the past perfect, the reported statements, words that often confused in the vocabulary part, and when it comes to the writing part we will take part 3 of writing a story. Question 1 is about matching. So we are going to match a line in A with a line in B and to finish it with a line in C. Of course, this is the link between the past perfect and the past simple. Question 2, what happened first? So we'll read the sentences and put numbers in the boxes after each action to show the order in which they happened. So just to put the numbers to show the order of the 3 sentences. Question 3 is about past simple or past perfect. So we'll complete the sentences, put one verb in the past simple and one in the past perfect. Of course, we must know what action took place first in order to know the tense that we should put it on. Question 4 is about joining sentences. Join these pairs of sentences using the conjunctions in brackets. Change one verb into the past perfect. So we will join the 2 sentences with the conjunction between parentheses. Of course, we must change one of the verbs into the past perfect when needed. Question 5, the second part or the second grammar part, which is the reported statements. How to move from the direct speech to the reported one or the reported statements. What did she say? Sally wants to see a landlady called Mrs. Mowbray about a flat. Now she is telling her friend Paul about it. Report the sentences. Of course, we have to do the necessary changes that are about the tense of the verb and the pronouns if needed. Move from the direct speech to the reported one. We finish with the reported statements, but here is the opposite of question 5. We will move from the reported to direct speech. So here we have an interview with Richard Wilkins, wildlife documentary maker, in which we are going to change the reported statements into direct ones here down. The vocabulary part is about the verbs say and tell. Just an explanation about the difference between say and tell. It's easy just to say that the verb to tell needs an indirect object after it, means to say tell someone something. However, the verb to say doesn't need an indirect object. Say something. So whenever we decide if we have an indirect object, so put tell. If we have just a direct object, say something. So just insert the verb to say. Question 8 is about words that are often confused. The words that really sometimes they become confusing for the students. So we are dealing with them in question 8. The last part of unit 14 is writing for talking. As we said at the beginning of this video, it will be about writing a story. So here is the topic. Think about your future life. How do you see your life? So we will answer those questions, but in terms of academic writing. Part 2 of question 9. Read and listen about Susanna talking about her future. What are her definite plans? What is she not sure about? What are her hopes, ambitions, and dreams? So we will read the text and answer the questions about Susanna. This is the end of this video. After this we will have the answer key for every single questions. Thank you so much.